See, I got the oven fired up. Got it set for 250. We did a burn off in there. I'm gonna raise it on up to 425 or 375. Looks like it's a 342 now. 375. It's all purged out. It's running. Actually running pretty good. I got a rack built now. We're coating some frames. Went and bought this Chinese spray gun. Got the spray booth all running. This is really our first big job we've done on it. We've done some little jobs in my small oven. But I've had great success with this spray gun so far. It's got flat coat, corners, and double coat. Pulling it out of this little container right down here. See the powder being filtered. Still running the filters that I got with it. They're really junk. But I had to replace the blower motor on it. It was bad. So I got a new blower motor. These are the square out filters. They're junk too, but that's all I got for now. I'm going to use them. Yeah, this shop's turning out okay. I installed a fan back here in the back to get some air to move through here. And as you can see, it's working great. Got a good coat on that. I built that frame to hold the coating machine in. But he's still playing around with some controls on it. Yeah, my little oven's working good too.